Best Tech of 2025? This video reveals the top 5 gadgets you absolutely need. From smartwatches to TVs, we've got the hottest tech covered. Want to upgrade your gear? Check out the links in the description to grab these amazing gadgets early. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra 2. Its rugged design and enhanced features make it the ultimate adventure companion. Number 2. Sony WH-1000XM5. Experience unparalleled noise cancellation and immersive sound with these premium headphones. Number 3. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple's latest flagship phone boasts groundbreaking camera technology and lightning-fast performance. Number 4. Samsung S95 OLED TV. Witness breathtaking visuals and vibrant colors with this cutting-edge OLED TV. Number 5. Google Pixel Tablet. This versatile tablet seamlessly integrates with your smart home ecosystem, offering both entertainment and productivity. This top 5 tech list includes the best smartphones, smartwatches, headphones, tablets, and TVs, all reviewed for your convenience. Don't miss out on the future of tech. Watch now and discover your next favorite gadget.